Hello everyone, I am Deepali Bhosle and the today's topic is what is inheritance in and Java. Let's see in details what is inheritance in Java. Inheritance is the mechanism in which the one object acquires all the properties and behavior of its parent class. It is an important part of the OOPS concept, that is object oriented programming system. Object oriented programming language is the methodology or paradigm in which we can design a object in which we can design a program using object and classes. Using OOPS concepts we can maintain the software development, and using which concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Using these all concepts we can maintain the software development process. Let's see in detail what is inheritance in Java. The idea behind the inheritance in a Java, we can create a new classes that are built upon the existing classes. That is the we having the one child class which is derived from its parent class. That means the one child class can inherit its features, properties, inherits its features, properties of its parent class. Inheritance supports the is a relationship. It is also called as an parent child relationship. Let's see the why we use the inheritance in Java. For method overriding, using method overriding we can achieve the runtime polymorphism. And the next one, for code reusability, we use the inheritance in Java. The code reusability means that we can reuse the codes, we can reuse the methods, fields of an existing class and creates in a new class. That's why we are using the inheritance in Java. Let's see the terms which are used in an inheritance. That is the class is an collection of an objects, and it's having the class is an collection of an objects. It is an logical entity. It is the blueprint form in which we can create an individual objects. Then second is an subclass and child class. The subclass is an class which inherits the other classes. It is also called as an derived class, extended class, or the child class. And the superclass and the parent class. Superclass is the class from which the subclass inherits the feature. It is also called as an base class or the parent class. The next features is the reusability. As the name specify, the reusability mechanism which provides us to the we reuse the fields, methods of an existing class. If we create a new class, you can use the same fields, methods already defined in a previous class. The syntax of an inheritance is the class subclass extends the superclass name, and in an method body we having the methods and fields. We can extend the keywords indicates that making a new class which is derived from an existing class. That means the child class is derived from its parent class. The meaning of an extend is to increase the functionality, and it is used in the class which is inheritant is called as an parent or superclass, and the new class is called as an child and the subclass. Let's be having an real life example. Son can inherit his father's public property like a home, car, and using it, but after some time he decided to buy his own car and using it. That means the son can inherit, but he still want its father homes. That means it inherits the father's properties like a home, and he is using its property like a car. We having the one class in which the we declare as an father is an one class. We having the same method name, same return type, and the same parameters. Then we consider as an father class. We having the method public void home. In that we sys out the father's home, and the second method with the same name, same parameter, and the same return type, that is the public void car. In that we consider as an sys out the father's car. Then next class, that is in which we can override the methods of its parent class by using the Extend keywords we having, let's take it as a same method name with the same return type and with the same parameter, that is the public void car. In that we take it as an sysout son's car. Then we can create, we will create an objects of an child class in which we can son, let's consider in main class, then s dot home and the s dot car. Then the output will be the father's home and the son's car. That means the son's car method is overrides his father's methods, that is the father's methods, that is the father's method, that is the car of father's. It inherits the its father's methods. It can inherits his father's property and behavior, but it also overrides the methods of an parent father class, which having the method is the car. Using this we can inherits the class. There are three types of inheritance: single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and multiple inheritance. But the multiple inheritance does not support the Java, because the we having the multiple inheritance does not, we reduce the complexity and the simply the language. The multiple inheritance not supported in a Java, because let's consider as an example, if having the class a b c and the c class inherits the parent class, that is a and b classes. If a and b classes have the same methods and you call it from the child class objects, and there will be ambiguity to call the method of a and b of parent class, so that the compile time error will be better than the runtime error. And Java used to the compile time error if you inherit the two classes. So whatever we having a same method or the different, there will be an compile time error. That's why we are not, the Java does not support the multiple inheritance in Java. Let's see the what is the single inheritance. When a class inherits the another class is known as an single inheritance. In an example, let's consider as an example, the dog class can inherit the animal class also, and so there is a single inheritance. Let's consider as an class animal. In that we take it as a method void eat and sys out eating, and we class next class is then dog extend the animal, which is having the method is the void brag in sys out, barking is there, and we take it we create an objects of an dog class. In that eat and eating, we take it as an object, that is d dot barking and d dot eat. Then it will return as an barking and eating. And next method is an multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, the where an chain of an inheritance, it is known as a multi-level inheritance. As you know, let's consider as an example, that is the baby dog class inherits the dog class, which is again inherits the animal class. So there is a multi-level inheritance. Let's consider as an class, that is the animal, and void it's also it's printing the eating, and class dog extend the animal. Then void bark system is sits out as an print ln barking, and the class baby dog extend the dog class. That means we having in that method is the void whip and sys out whip, and the output will be whipping, barking, and the eating. This is an multi-level inheritance example. Let's consider as an hierarchical inheritance. When two or more classes inherits the single class, it is known as an hierarchical inheritance. In the example given below, take it as an example, as a dog and cat classes inherit the element classes. So there is an hierarchical inheritance is there, that is the class dog extend the animal, and class cat extend also the same class, that is the animal, and it take it as an 2, that is the it's take it as it create an object of an cat class, and it we having the we gives as an input, we display as an input is the cat and dog also. That is the multi-level inheritance, and inheritance is the important pillar of an OOPS concept. This is all about the inheritance in a Java. Thank you.